What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patrick Kiera, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 5 easy outfit ideas that you can recreate for the summertime. These are really just throw it on outfits but still look super cute and super put together even though you're not doing too much. But before we get into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. That is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a like, and also make sure to comment your favorite outfit down below. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.